Hello there. Thank you for everybody that voted in the poll on my stories. 100% of people said they would like me to make a video showing how I'm going to Dcfix these drawers and upcycle them into something else. These are the various items that I've used. So obviously you've got the Dcfix. I've used a hairdryer, although you don't need to do this. There's a knife. I've used a credit card there, but just something that sort of shape, maybe a bit larger if you like, something hard to help you press it on, and some scissors. And then I've also used a board just to ensure that I don't scratch my table. This is the side of the drawer that I want to sort of cover, the front. I've placed the front face down. Used a knife to cut around the edge. So I've left the edge large enough to cover what I want to cover and a tiny bit more, just to give me some play room. I'm just running the knife along the lines that are handily on the back of the Dcfix. Line it up, peel the back off. Then I will peel this away, and while I'm doing so, I will take the card and just push this along and make sure that there are no bubbles and it's stuck down nice and flat. So now what we need to do is stick the edges down. I actually use a hairdryer just to make sure I pull them really tight. So put a bit of heat on there, then pull it really, really tight and get that down. Now what I want to do is chop off all the excess all the way around. So for this job I use the knife and just run it along the edge. So this was the rough sort of bare MDF, that's why it looks a bit bobbly, but you can see it's really nice and flat on the flattened edges. The corners look something like this. Final step of this is I just used a screwdriver to poke through the hole that was already there.